How to transfer money with Santander Bank. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Santander Bank is already installed on a device. If not, you can head over to your App Store or the Play Store and then install it. Once the application has been installed, open the app. Enter your login credential, as in your user ID and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage of Santander Bank. At the bottom, you'll see the option where it says Transfer. Move into it. It will land you on this page. In the From section, you have to enter your bank account. And then in the To section, you have to enter the name of the bank account that you want to transfer. After that, you have to enter the amount that you want to transfer. Also, don't forget to enter the date. Once you have entered all the details, click on Confirm Transfer. For the confirmation, you can use your fingerprint or use security details instead. Once the verification has been done, the amount will be transferred successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can transfer from Santander Bank. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.